Hello. So now we've gone ahead and covered the basics of how to measure our probe offset. So this gives us the XYZ offset values for this particular probe in relationship to the default probe that we would use in our microscribe. So once we've set up the probe offset, we can just simply select that as the probe that we want to use, and then we can go in and make sure that our diameter is set, which we have the correct diameter set now. And we can go in and use our probe offsets. So it will automatically offset for whichever way we are orienting the angle of the probe. So if we're coming into a face in this manner, then it will automatically offset towards the part. If we come in here, it's going to offset over towards the part. If we're creating a line for circles, if we point towards it in such a manner, it will do a OD offset, and if we come in on the outside, or it'll do an ID offset for this, and if we come in and look at it from the outside, it'll do an OD offset. So fairly intuitive as far as the way that we can come in and create our offsets. You do want to be careful that when you're taking a information on a circle that you don't come straight down, because then it could have a hard time differentiating whether it's an ID or an OD offset. And for planes, it's going to be the same sort of deal. It'll offset to where all those points are facing towards based off of the vector of the stylus. Now we have gone through the basics of MiGage. There is also a few different styles of reporting that we can use. Right now we're set up for HTML. If you want to use CSV, we can simply go over to our report, refresh it, and now you have that CSV format that you can put into your own reporting system. So this is just comma delimited CSV. And we also have the ability to create DXF files as well. So there's our DXF values, and these can be simply taken into whichever software that you are using for your reporting. So we have HTML, CSV, and DXF for our reporting styles. To export these, you can save it out, and we also have the ability to save out our particular run plans. So we can hit File, Export Plan. We can import our old plans. We can also export out the nominals, delete everything, or clear just specifically the measurements. But that is helpful for when you want to have a technician import a plan for a particular part and run that. We have the abilities right here to export and import those plans. This covers the basics of MiGage. We will most likely have some more in-depth videos soon for specific processes, but hopefully this will be good in helping you to get started in understanding the basic theory behind MiGage, and I highly encourage you to play around with the different features and functions in order to create your specific measurement needs. Thank you and have a great day.